I just got the KMS double barrel shocks. And the reason why I have two packs here is because one pack is for the stock shocks, and then the other pack you can use for your aluminum shocks if you have hot racing or Treal like I have here. So the difference is in the threads. You have to buy for the specific type of shock you're planning on upgrading. But the way to build these double barrel shocks is the same way for the stock as it is for the aluminum. So in the pack, you'll see another set of springs, and that set of springs is labeled VLP, or very low pressure. We're gonna use the VLP springs because these are just the LP springs, and I think they're a little too stiff. How I got them all apart, I took the top off, then I took the ring off. Take the spring off, I put electric tape around the teeth of these needle nose pliers so that way they don't damage any of the metal. Treal is 1.5 millimeter hex, and then you just spin the shock rod out of the bottom piece, just like that. Next thing we want to do is we want to take these rods out because we need to use these. So for assembly, all you do is take a shock rod there, try and work it through that brass like that, and then you do the same for that, and there we go. It's that easy. We need one of these bottoms here. You don't want to over tighten these will break. We have that connected. Now we want to use our VLP, or our very low pressure spring. Slip that over like that. And there we go. And that's how you assemble the double barrel shock by using your Treal shocks. So I have one here. Let's compare it. Fully compressed, nothing changes. It's not quite twice as tall, but you can see how much taller it is. So I'm gonna put the rest of these together. So there we have it. Now when you extend it out like that, it makes the truck sit really high. Once you push it back in and get the suspension settled, it sits it back at normal height. So let's check out the articulation here. I'm gonna do a side by side so you can see the before and the after. There's the front. Let's spin it around. See how much articulation we have on the back. There, the front wheel's just coming off. So yeah, you get a lot more shock travel there. I love the amount of articulation you get. It really helps to keep the tires on the rocks. One thing I noticed that I don't like, and I could probably adjust it, I have to change where these are mounted at, is sometimes it makes the back end sit real high, or even sometimes the front, and then it rolls on its back or rolls over on its front. But I do have plans to change a little bit more on the front end, and we are going to put the Emax servo on, along with the Emax servo mount from Hot Racing, and then the aluminum steering links from Treal. So that'll be in the next video. Thanks for watching this video of the KMS double barrels, but I'll see you on the next upgrade.